Welcome to this training session. In this video, we're going to talk about sales innovation with Fiori application, embedded analytics, and predictive modeling. This topic is very important if you come from ECC. If you move to S4HANA, it's really important to understand the new Fiori application. My name is René Rodrigue Flaminco. I am SAP MM and SD consultant. You can follow me in LinkedIn. You can use this link. If you want this presentation, you can go in my profile LinkedIn, and then you can download this. Is free. The topic we are going to cover today is we'll talk about only Fiori application, to be the role of Fiori application. We'll talk about sales overview of Fiori application. We'll talk about sales order fulfillment, talk about predicted delivery delay, credit limitation utilization, sales management overview Fiori app, sales performance prediction Fiori apps, sales volume profit margin Credit Momo Fiori apps, customer overview Fiori apps, quotation conversion rate Fiori apps, managed duplex sales document Fiori apps. Before we'll talk about, we have some to recall. As a functional consultant, our role is merely to understand the client requirement and propose the solution that fit them. In this case, it's very important to know the Fiori application and choose the Fiori app that meet the customer requirement. This is really important because if you work in implementation project, in an implementation project, a key part of functional consultant role is to understand the Fiori architecture for the function you specialize in. Maybe if you are finance consultant, maybe if you are SD consultant or material management consultant, it's really important, the first thing, to understand the architecture in the Fiori application and how to use them to get the best out of them. When I talk about the best out of them, I talk about embedded analytics, I talk about predictive modeling, I talk about insight to action. Apart from the user interface, which has been completely revamped of Fiori, we also have the Fiori application architecture, machine learning, and predictive analytics, which allow you to better serve your customer via predictive analytics. But before we continue, let me come back in this machine learning. Talk about this term is really important is in Fiori application. Why? Because many Fiori application do some predictive based of this machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a method of data analysis that automate analytical model building. It is a branch of artificial intelligence based of the idea that system can learn from data, identify pattern, and make decision with minimal human intervention. This is really important. We have another technology used that we have maybe Facebook uses machine learning. But I will come back to this term in my next video. I will tell you how you can use machine learning, how you can use some scenario to activate them to some Fiori application. Now, we will start with this Fiori application myself. But before we start, but let me show you something. Let me show you this. This is really important if you work to implementation project. You can come here and to find some information you want to some Fiori application. But this is both consultant. If you are functional consultant, if you are technical consultant, you can come here to find information. You can go to SAP Fiori application referral library. You can call also this is the Bible of Fiori application, and then you can follow, or you can find all application you want. Let me show you this very quickly. Let me open this. Yes. maybe we have some connection issue. Sometimes is maybe my connection internet. Okay, now it's okay. And then you have can you see here you have all application, all is for an application, Sapphire application. But let me go here. Let me go click here, and then you have you can find application by line of business. You can find application by industry, by role, by application component, by backend product, by product version. Yeah, I talk product version. Maybe you are version 1909, 2020, or 1809, depend of the version of the system you use. But let me go to by line of the business, and then by line of business you have CRM, commerce, you have finance, you have human resourcing, you have manufacturing, you have sales. Let me click here. It says it has. Then you can notice here I have more than 500 application. Here is really important, and if all application you will talk in this video, you can come here and looking this application here, you can put the name of the application here, and then you have the role of the application, all the SAP will provide you all everything about application. But let me try to click of this application, and then I will show you how you can use this if you are functional consultant, if you are technical consultant. When you open this application, you can notice that I open create a bond delivery. This is for sales application, but you can notice that yes, this required backend product is S4 SAP S4HANA. Line of the business, this application can be used in asset management, sales, sourcing and procurement, and supply chain. Because it is a very flexible application. It can be used by in many domains. Application type is transactional apps. We have three type application. Transactional apps. We have analytical apps. You have factious application. Database. You have ANA database exclusively. This application can be used in desktop and tablet. This is really important because SAP provide you all information you need information you need about this application. SAP already do a very good work in this application. This is really important if you work to implementation project. But if you are functional consultant, I recommend you to come here in product features, and then you have everything. You have SAP provide you the role of this application, and then you have the name of the application. We have everything. It's here. It tell you what is the role of this application. I can tell you that with the create inbound delivery app, you can create inbound delivery based on expected good received item in expected or warehouse management. You have everything you want. Even SAP provide you this screenshot. Then you can recognize this application. This is a screenshot. This is really important for functional consultant to come here and find everything you want. But this implementation information, this is for technical consultant. But in my future video, I will tell you how you can implement a application, how you can active this application in your Fiori Launchpad. I will tell you how you can use this, how you can use some this information installation. I tell you how you can use configuration. I will tell you, but and then you can go in my LinkedIn in future. You can have this PDF. I already cover this topic how you can installation of a Fiori application. The title of this topic is implementation Fiori apps, but I will provide you one video maybe in next week. Then this is really important is implementation project for functional consultant and technical consultant. Now let's come back uh, our training to talk about to our first Fiori application. Our first Fiori application we talk here is my sales overview. what to sell as a sales overview. I provide you this screenshot here, but we talk first about theoretical. My sales overview. When you open, you discover a lot of information. This is one of the most important applications in sales and distribution. This application allows you to better monitor important business indicators with a precise analysis. With this application, you will be able to identify your sales expectation and anticipate your key activities several months in advance with integrate information. This app provides you overview of sales information such as open sales order, open sales quotation, customer contract, customer return, incoming sales order, quick action, sales quotation pipeline, sales order fulfillment issue, block credit memo request. Let me show you this in my dashboard. Let me go here and show you my dashboard. You can see here I have my sales overview application. I open this. Let me open and show you how now this application look like. Okay, when you open, you will discover a lot of information as I tell you before. You can notice here in this application you have everything you are overview about your sales. You have everything about your sales. You have here block credit memo request, customer contract, customer return, open sales order, open sale quotation, quick action that you can create sales order here, you can create sale quotation, you can create credit memo request, you can have incoming sales order, you have sales order fulfillment. This application is really important because you have in this lecture you can know your sales overview now. You can know everything about your sales. Let me come back to take our second application. Yes, let me let's talk about the second application. Yes, our second application is sales order fulfillment Fiori apps. But before we talk about some theoretical sales order fulfillment, when opening this application, the system will show you all the command that cannot be executed. This is really important. You should know that when you open this ASAP tell you which command that you cannot be executed. It tell you the reason why you cannot execute this command. But I will show you this directly in my dash my in my launchpad. I will show you this directly. Let me open my Fiori. Okay. Okay, we can show that this is our application sale order fulfillment. When I click, I open this application. Maybe it takes some time. Maybe we have a connection issue. Okay, okay. When you open this application, you can notice the analysis issue. You have more than 100. ASAP tell you why you cannot execute this sales order, this command. ASAP tell you exactly what happened. What ASAP tell you the issue. You can notice that in this first, it tells you the incomplete data in delivery, shipping issue in delivery, no journal entry created, invoicing issue delivery, incomplete data sales order, delivery book in sales order. ASAP tell you exactly what happened. why you cannot execute this cells this order. But let me try to, we can go to crazy block in cells order. You can notice that you have five. No, please, excuse me, we have 15. Let me click on this. You can notice that exactly tell you that you have issue to tell, you have 15. Let me open in, and you can notice that SAP tell us that we can resolve sales order issue. I click yes, I click. Yes, we have. You can notice that everything. See, we talk about crazy block, crazy block. It tells you about, the customer. You know that. Let me. You can continue. You can click here. You can click in this. If you take about this, okay, we'll talk about this. Okay, this. The SAP open another another window. This is really important. Is the thing you should know in about Fiori. The application in Fiori is very flexible. You can move to another application. This is really important because in this here you can notice that SAP tell us that why he cannot execute this order because limit reset. You can notice it tell us that the number of the day over more than 800, and then it tell us yes, not approved. We have all information you need here. You can follow the process flow. Let me show you here the process flow. Yes, you can see here you have the process flow. You can notice the cell there. You already do cell there, but you not do delivery yet. Let me go back, and then you can see that here you have option to reject sales order. You have another option, reject credit display credit decision. Then here you have SAP help you to take decision. Okay, and then you can know what action we can do. Let's come back, and then we can take another application. Yes. Let me talk about another application here. Let me talk about, yes, another application, predicted delivery delay. This application is extremely important. You can notice here, yes, we talk about some theoretical. This an extremely important application that help company significantly increase their ability to make delivery deadly. This is really important to increase your to respect your delivery deadline. This is really important application you should know. When we continue, when you create an order, you propose a delivery date to your customer, but due to certain factor, you do not always manage the delivery on time. But this application predicts the probable delivery date according to the history and certain current factor of the order. And this will allow you to anticipate an order with a late delivery. This is extremely important application. Remember, I told you about machine learning. This application use machine learning. SAP, based of the history, based of the same information, this application already learned in the past, and then he can predict the future. He can tell you that this be careful because for this action and for this order, maybe you cannot respect you cannot respect the delivery with this order. This is really important. But let me show you this in my dash in my launchpad. Let me show you. No, let me not here. Let me show you directly here. Yes, this application. Yes, this application here. You can notice that now he do some calculation because he do some predicted. Now let us what he tell us some information that yes, you can notice that, and then we already know what happened. You can notice that we have this more than 100. That means that we have some also late 100. We have more than 56. This is the early is one on time. Let me click here. Then you already let me click to go. Can click to go, and then the system will do some calculation. Then okay, you can notice that SAP tell us what happened. If I notice I tell you a red color, that means that it's late. This color means that it is early. Then you can click here. If I click here, SAP will provide, tell you only sales only late late delivery, only the delivery. This is extremely important, because SAP is based on the past, based on the historical. SAP can tell you that be careful, and then you can know what action you need to do to respect your delivery. You need to come back, and then you take another application. Okay, this we talk about credit limit utilization theory apps. Here the system show you all the customer approaching the credit limit, thanks to the alert which which will allow you to anticipate on action to be done. A credit controller can, for example, inform the partner of their credit status, organize meeting with them in order to better serve them. This application is really important because he tell you that be careful, because you be careful. The limit of the credit is very dangerous. Be careful, and then you can do some anticipation. You can call, maybe you can call your customer. Tell him that be careful. Sales management overview. This application is a paramount important for sales manager as it provides an essential and relevant sales information. With this application, you have an up-to-date overview of your sales. You can better follow your commercial indicator thanks to the integrated analysis. For example, all invoices created, delivery order. This application gives you an overview of all this and enable you to make a better decision based in the overview of sales of your sales. Another application, sales performance predicted. Based of the history and current status of your sales during the month, this application will make you a prediction for sales of the end of the month. Remember, I talk you about machine learning. This is the same thing. Based of the history, based of the current sales in this month, of maybe the week, maybe of the year, is this application can make some prediction. This allows sales manager to compare actual sales volume with predicted sales volume. This allows sales manager to develop sales plan for different periods and better anticipate the competition. This is very important for sales manager. Sales for volume, profit margin, credit memo, Fiori apps. It, it is a flexible application that can do a lot of reporting. For example, it can show you your profit margin by sales organization. So with one click, you can see if your margin is low or high. It is also able to give you the profitability for a specific item per month or per year. Since the main goal of a company is to increase its revenue, the profit margin is a very important indicator to be closely monitored by the sales manager in order to be able to readjust the sale price and discount to increase the profit margin of the company. Then you can know if the profit margin is not good from some item, and then you can know, you can propose your customer then that I will do some discount. I will give you some discount. This is really important. Then you can increase your profit margin by item. Customer Overview Fiori app. This application gives you a quick overview of relevant data for one or more customers, saving your time. For example, it gives you information on sales volume and margin, open quote, open and rejected order, delivery performance over the last quarter. For a clearer and more in-depth analysis, this application gives you the possibility to navigate to relevant application. This is an important improvement because in one click you have all the data you need, which allow you, for example, sales manager to classify customer according to their profitability. Then you can know that with this customer, my profitability is high. With this customer, my profitability is low. And then you can note that this is my best customer. This is not my best customer. This is really important. We'll talk about our not the last quotation conversion rate Fiori application. This application allows the sales manager or sales representative to look at the profitability, the probability of conversion of quote, and based on this probability, they can anticipate on stock and of their projection by comparing actual forecast and predicted result. Company can get predicted information on the conversion rate. This allows them to identify and focus the high value sales volume. This application is really important. Why? If you notice that this quotation can be converted in order, and then you can do some action, you can anticipate some action, then you can maybe in your stock you can tell that you can block some stock, that this stock I will sell this stock in this customer because the probability is high. You can call in the production. You can say that you need to increase the production because maybe we have many order in the future. This application is really important from some manager. We talk about our last application, manage duplicate sales document Fiori app. With this app, you can search for duplicate sales document, for example, sell order, quotation, and return, and reject the ones of no required to avoid duplicate sales document being processing multiple items. By rejecting duplicate, you avoid high cost, for example, due to unnecessary return, or by causing a product to be out of stock unnecessary. You search according to the various criteria such as creation period, sales document category, sales organization, sold to party, created by, or overall statute. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to take your time to watch this video. We'll say thank you very much.